In this tutorial we learn how to move this line by using tools, sketch tools. Okay, first go to the tools, sketch tools, here select the line, and you can just, for example, here, and this line here, and this line here. Okay, here we can control this line. The second thing is center line. You can draw the rectangular and go to the line, select center line. Okay, and click on this line and this point and choose the midpoint. Here, this is the center line and this is the midpoint of the rectangular. And also it's the same. Smart dimension, this point to this point. It's the same. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to watch the next tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button. You can also visit my blog for more. You can also watch the previous tutorial